Hey guys, kumusta? So for today's video, magbablog ulit tayo, and today nandito kami sa car dealer. So magche-check si Sterling ng isang car pa kasi hindi ako makapag-drive dito guys. Though allow ako mag-drive ng for 90 days na nandito ako, pero hindi ko ma-drive itong car niya kasi sobrang laki. Wait, labas ako, pakita ko sa inyo. So, ganito siya kalaki. Para siyang 4x4. Pero mas malaki pa sa 4x4. Siya. Ayan yung car na gamit niya ngayon. So, maghahanap siya ng parang mas maliit na pwede kong i-drive. And pwede rin namin pang long drive. Kasi itong truck na to kasi magastos siya sa gas. So, hindi siya masyado pwede pang long drive. So, ngayon magtitingin kami ng car na pwede namin pang long drive. Ito yung inside ng car, so itatry na namin siya. And dadalhin muna sa mechanic para i-check.
It's crazy because it doesn't seem like it's even on.
Yeah, and it's hybrid. Maganda siya. Lexus yung brand.
What do you think?
It's nice. It has heated seat.
And air-conditioned seats. It'll blow cold air up your butt.
Yeah, maganda siya guys. And I like the interior.
Did you know this? Look at the steering wheel. It goes back and forth, up and down.
Is that safe to do when you're driving?
Yeah.
Wala nga lang siyang CarPlay, pero okay. What years is this car?
It's 10 years old.
Oh, 10 years old na. Pero ang ganda. Gusto ko yung interior niya. Okay, another waiting game. 2 hours. Pupunta muna kami ng mall or dito sa TJ Maxx. Are you cold?
Yes. Oh, got my coat.
Nakalimutan yung coat niya. So ako okay lang. Pero kasi akong heat tech na suot.
Time to go coat shopping.
So nagtitingin kami yung trash can and cover namin sa new bed. Pero babalik na lang kami mamaya. Wala pa kasi yung car. Nandun pa siya sa car shop.
Bahama.
Baby clothes shopping. Pero ang mamahal. Mahal pa yung price niya.
The price.
Sa discount price. So nasa $10 pa yung isa. This is your favorite section, right?
I like the wine section. It's like you're traveling around the world.
Ito yung paborito niya section. Puro alak na lang. Charot. So we're going to Macy's. I'm trying to renovate the house. Charot.
Even though you're supposed to have being more in control in the Philippines, you're now trying to control this house too.
I wanna make the house looks nice. So dito kami pupunta sa Macy's. Dito namin nabili yung bed na parang nagre-recline din siya. So this time titingin lang kami ng recliner to match yung recliner dun sa living room namin. So medyo pricey yung mga recliner nila here. Baka online na lang kami titingin. Nasa around $1,500 and nasa $800 ganon. So guys, we are doing this massage chair for $5 for 30 minutes.
15 minutes.
Oh, 15 minutes. So, are we getting this car?
The mechanic said this is in great shape.
So
But there's a nail in the tire.
Ito yung car guys. Lexus. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng Lexus to. Wala akong alam sa mga car, pero hybrid daw siya.